how to analyze these, right? So the candidate needs to participate in an online version of the PSI personality test. It is in 1 to 2 hours assessment. Based on the assessment, PSI team will evaluate the responses given by the candidates and then discuss the results with the candidates. Right? So this test recognizes the existing strengths and potentials clearly. Right? So again, individual knows the potential, right? Knows the strength, then can move in that area, in all those, right? Prospect the job and all, right? So that those strengths can be utilized properly. And identifies a factor that fill a person with energy in some tasks that make someone exhausted, right? Might not be linked to their motivation level. So if we don't like something, yes, so we'll feel exhausted, like just by doing it for a while. But if we really like something, right, so we'll not feel that. We'll be energetic and we'll enjoy doing the same, right? So that is behind this. And the understanding of interaction of different personality traits within a person helps him to set well-aligned goals for life, reach them, and improve his well-being at the same time.